welcome to my YouTube channel. So onto this video, I want to show you what's in our fridge, and then I'm gonna do deep cleaning our fridge, like remove the stuff that we don't need, like we don't use often. So we have another fridge in our garage, so the stuff that we don't usually use, it should be in the garage fridge, because this fridge is not the standard size, and then the size is not like roomy or something, like it's kind of like small. So if I want to show you guys the fridge, it's not the standard size. So this fridge is kind of the same size with a counter, and so it's kind of like small. So the standard size would be like, it goes from here, like it's more like, if you can see that, it should be, the door should be there for the standard size of fridge, because our kitchen is like that and then if our fridge is standard size, then it's hard for us to walk back and forth. So Matt and I decided to get the counter size fridge, so that's why the fridge gets fuller. It gets full faster. So this fridge should be in our everyday used, or if we have leftover or something like that, so it should be here. But sometimes it gets full faster, so especially with my sister-in-law living with us with 2 kids. So now I'm gonna show you guys what's in our fridge. So this is how our fridge looks like, guys. Oh my god, holy cow. So as you can see, there's a lot of fingerprints in our fridge. So I'm gonna deep clean our fridge and remove the fingerprints and clean it out. This is the before. Ayan, so let's get started. Very cluttered. Okay, I know you're angry na naman. This fridge is it. Close it. Okay, so guys, we are going to start. We're going to empty our fridge. Okay, so this one, so I do use this every morning or every time I want coffee. So this coffee creamer will stay in this fridge. Dunkin' coffee creamer should be there. And then this milk, so the kids will drink milk in the morning when they eat breakfast. So this can stay here. The leftover beef broth my sister-in-law cooked 2 weeks ago. And then this one, we don't usually use this often, so this will go to other fridge. So that goes to our other fridge. And then this one, ginger sushi, pickled ginger. Oh, galit na naman siya. Galit na naman. She's angry again. And then this ginger, pickled ginger, is for sushi. And then I don't use this often, so this will go to other fridge. So first, we are going to we will throw the stuff that need to be thrown away. So this is empty, as you can see, and we are going to, I don't know if you guys throwing the stuff that it's already past the best buy. Are you guys throwing it away, or you wanna keep it? Comment down below, please. I don't really know. Is it because that's not expiry date, right? It's best buy. So if you eat it before the best buy, it's better quality and still in a good, you know, good product. But if it's after Best Buy, are you guys eating it or you're throwing it away? Let me know. Let me know. Comment down below because I'm not health conscious. Is it health conscious? Okay. So we have spinach here. So I was thinking put it in like cook it with pasta. Actually I bought it for salad. And then these days we don't usually eat salad. Yeah, last time we ate salad, but I think like it's empty in your stomach. It's not enough. So yeah, I'm planning to cook this with pasta, spinach, and we'll keep this spinach here. And then this one is buttermilk, and this we don't usually use, so this one will goes to other fridge because look at that, we don't have space no more. And this one prawn juice, so the kids when they're constipated they will drink this juice, so they're not always constipated. So this one will goes to other fridge. Ayan, so look, we empty a little bit. And then juice. Oh my god, this is it. Look at that. This is like open 2 weeks ago and still here. So they don't eat it, so throw it away. And then juice, kids will drink it after, you know, eat the dinner or lunch or something. And then this was here for I don't know how long, like 2 weeks or almost a month maybe. And then this is Best Buy. Okay, still September 2024. So maybe I'll keep this one here so the kids can see it or the Andrea can see it. But we can open it. Oh, still good. So the kids like, oh my god, okay. Heavy cream. I will use that tomorrow. And then this is Coffee Mate. My sister-in-law used that. I don't like that. And this one is Best Before December 2, 2023. So this one is not good. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god. This one, Daisy. Best Buy March 2024. Best Buy March 2024. They're the same thing. 25. So what? I can put it together so we have space, you know. And then applesauce doesn't have expiration date. It's not expiration date. Best Buy October 2024. So the kids really like applesauce, so this can stay here. It's okay. And then sour cream, another sour cream. Best Before December 4, 2023. So last year. So throw it away. And then lots of lots of kids cups for sure. We need it. We're eating. Parmesan can stay here. This is the leftover pasta sauce. This one, my sister-in-law bought it two weeks ago. So this one, she doesn't really use this often. So this can go to other fridge. So we have more space, you know. And then this leftover, it's been like more than a week. So I'm gonna throw this away. And then we have a beef stew leftover, throw it away as well. This is chicken salad leftover yesterday. So this is still good. Keep it. And this pizza, this was in the fridge for more than a week. So this, throw it away. And then okay, the blueberry, it's not looks good, but you know what? You can use it for smoothie. Maybe I'll do that. Oh shit. Look! Give me a lot of work. It wasn't properly closed, guys. Oh my god. Okay, so this one, it's ooh, it has like, it already has, what's it called? Like when it's old, it's like has a white mold or something. It's Best Buy what? Oh, the fruits doesn't have Best Buy, but and then what else? So we have the cheap eggs, and we have expensive egg. Ayan, deep cleaning, people. Ayan. Remove the drawer. Remove this, guys. I don't know if I can clean this out, but yeah. I think I'm gonna clean the thing. How are you gonna clean that? How are you gonna clean this up? It's kinda like, it's different. It's different from our other fridge because when you push off the glass will, separate from the plastic, white plastic. So yeah, I'm gonna look at it. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so dirty. Oh my god. So I cannot remove this one, and I need to because it's so dirty underneath of it. So what I'm gonna do, let me show you what I'm gonna do. Yeah, get rid of that, and then oh, smart. I'm not very smart, Jelly. Very smart. Okay. Dang. Yeah. There you go. So I removed the drawer, and this is the fridge looks like. Nice, dirty. Nice, dirty. Ayan. And then I removed the shelf here as well, as you can see, and then here. Okay, we gonna start cleaning our fridge.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Okay guys, I already wiped inside the fridge and looks better. And then here as well, I wipe it out. Ayan. So I wipe the edges as well because there's like flashes from the food or from juice or whatever. So I clean that up as well. And here you go. We're gonna put the drawer back and the shelf for our sauces.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
So here's our fridge. It looks better, isn't it? Finally, I'm done deep cleaning our fridge. So, ayan. We have more room to put our leftover or whatever we want to put in this fridge that we usually used. So, I'm gonna give you a tour. Ayan. So, here's the kids' cups for water and milk. Because, you know, if it's here, Andrea usually put here and here. So, when I want to get something, I need to put the water cup down and then put it back. So I think this place is better for that. So it's not on the way. Yan. So here's the kids cups and medicine for the kids here. And then butter, lemon, yeast, and then all kind of mustard, hot sauce, and garlic aioli, horseradish. So here's our pancake syrup, and then there's leftover pasta sauce, Alfredo sauce, some snack, and then the kids jelly, and then sour cream, garlic aioli. This is I think this is homemade. No, it's not homemade. I think it's from the, I can't remember, Sarah's, from Sarah's restaurant. And then deep jalapeno jam, yeah, and Parmesan cheese, pickles, olives, and then here, oh my god. And then here, heavy cream, milk, juice, yogurt, and then coffee, cream. And then we have the eggs here, wonton wrap, and then strawberry and blueberries. And then here is our fruits. Ayan. And then I clean it, you know, underneath here. It's clean. Oh my god, our fridge is very clean. And then here's our spinach, all kinds of vegetables. And then here, all kinds of, you know, jelly, jam. And then we have pizza sauce here. And then here, barbecue sauce, ketchup, chocolate syrup. And then here is our mayonnaise, and mayonnaise, and then ranch dressing. This is for salad, and then taco sauce. So this is one of my favorites. So when we do a burrito, instead of putting Ortega sauce, I put this sauce. I like it. And then it's really good too with chimichanga. And then we have Chick-fil-A here. So yeah, that's our fridge tour. And then we have the drawer. Oo, galit na naman yung fridge natin. And then, guys, I cleaned the drawer as well. So we have water. We have different kinds of soda. Mga luncheon meat, pepperoni, cream cheese, hot dog, mozzarella stick. And then we have what is called the laughing cow. And I remember this when I was in Lebanon. They have this kind of cheese, and it's so yummy with Lebanese bread. That's really good. And then here we have all kinds, and then and then here we have different kinds of cheese. We have Mexican mixed cheese, Colby cheese, and then American cheese, provolone cheese, and then we have more cream cheese, and then this baby bell. And guys, so that's our fridge tour. And then again, so we are done inside the fridge. Now I'm going to clean outside because there's a lot of, there's a lot of fingerprints here. As you can see, lots of fingerprints. So this is the one that I'm going to use to clean the fridge, outside the fridge. And it fights fingerprints better. So here you go. Ayan. 3, 2, 1, action. Ah! Ah! Matt is bugging me. We already cleaned inside our fridge. Now we are going to clean outside our fridge. As you can see, there's a lot of splash from water or something. And then I remove also all the stuff from here so we can clean it out. So let's get started. So what I do is I'm just gonna paper towel and then just remove the fingerprints and all that. And then I'm gonna grab, so so the paper towel, make it wet, and then wipe it in our fridge. And then we're going to grab the dry paper towel. Ayan. And then the handle. And then here, as you can see, there's spot in this area. So we already wiped that. Use this one. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that everything is clean. And oh my gosh, now our fridge just looks roomy. Finally, we are done cleaning our fridge. It's completely done. So as you can see, ta-da! Ooh, I'm so very happy. I can't Can't imagine like this, huh? Yeah, the fridge is clean, guys, and hopefully you like this video, and that's it for this vlog. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next one. Bye.